Dad.
Burton?
Yeah, how can I miss him so much? God, I've been through a divorce. I mean, this should be nothing.
I guess you liked him more than you thought.
Well, he wrecked me. You know, I was perfectly fine all by myself for 2 years. I enjoyed it. And then Barton comes along, and it's like he defrosted me. You know? Now I'm like this melty, drippy, freezer-burnt mess.
Burton turned you into Mom's enchiladas.
Why did this happen to me? That's him. I am the one who broke up with him.
Yeah, you mentioned that a couple of 700 times.
I was gonna call him, but I can't figure out how to work this stupid phone.
They are complicated. You press on. Well, you can't call him. You broke up with him for a reason.
Yeah, and what was that reason again?
You didn't love him.
Yeah, I don't love this either.
I know. Look, first night alone is always the hardest. But it's gonna get better.
Yeah, whatever.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just gonna drink my wine, pay the bill, and go home. Okay.
Don't let this one get away.
Damn it!
Hey,
Son of a
I
bitch!
should be calling, but,
The goddamn time. I can't keep a fucking pair of headphones.
man,
Never.
I need you to know something.